Hello students, now it's time to do work in our English books. On your last class, you have learned the lesson inside and outside, lesson 2. Now we will do exercises of this lesson. You are requested to come to page number 25. Page number 24 you will do with the help of your parents. Now we will do page number 25. Now let's enrich our word store. Now see, look at each group of words, which one is different, and say why is it different. Now you have to circle the odd one out. You have to find which word is different. Now you can see the pictures. First one, table, car, bed and chair. What is different? Now car is different. Now these things are made up of wood, and car is used for going from one place to another. It is used for traveling. Rest all other things are found in our homes and made of wood. They are not used from traveling from one place to another, but car is used to move from one place to another. Same way, now to bun, bag, box and a bottle. Now see, which one is different? Yes, bun is different. Bun you can eat. Rest of the things you cannot eat. This one is different. These are similar to each other. You can put things in the bag. In a box also you can keep a thing, or in the bottle also you keep water, but bun you eat. Same way, come down, goat, cow, tree and horse. What is different? Very good, tree, because rest all these are animals and this is a tree. That is why this is different. Now come down, B. Now you have to name these pictures. Pictures are there and you have to name these pictures. The first picture is belt, B-E-L-T, belt. Then comes soap, S-O-A-P, soap. Plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate. Comb, C-O-M-B, comb. This is broom, B-R-O-O-M. And the last one is glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. So these pictures you have to see and you have to name them. Now students, come to page number 26. This is one and more than one. In your grammar class, you have learned singular and plural words. We will revise them. Now, one, more than one. A cat, a cat. The word a means one. A means one. When you see a cat, a jet, a girl, that means one. And see here, three cats, S. S means plural. Now two jets and four girls. This is singular and this is plural. Singular and plural words. Same way, come down, fill in the blanks. A boy means one boy. Now these are boys. These are boys. Same way, a cake, cakes. A kite, kites. Now this is one bell, so you will write a bell, bells, S. Now bird, one bird, you will write a bird, B-I-R-D, bird, and these are birds. Now we have revised singular and plural words. Now come to page number 27. Now read these sentences. Read loudly. The gate is open. The gate is open. The cows are in the garden. The cows, more than one, you will say cows, are in the garden. Now always remember, students, is used with singular word. One word means gate. Gate is singular, and cows is plural. So we will write are. Is used with singular words, and are is used with plural words. Come down. See, we will do exercises, then it will be more clear to you. Fill in the blank with is or are. You have to fill these blanks with is or are. See the picture. Now, this park dash near my home. Now, how many parks you can see here? This is only one park. Can you see two parks? No. There is only one park. So, this park is. What will you write? Is. This park is near my home. Come down. A boy. A boy means one boy. One boy. A boy means one boy. So you will write is. Again, one. So you will write is. One boy is on the swing. With singular words, we will write s. A boy means one boy. A boy is. Now two girls. Two girls. Now two girls means this is a plural word. So you will write are. Two girls are on the seesaw. This is a seesaw. This is a swing. This is a seesaw. Some monkeys. Again, S means many. Some monkeys. 1, 2, 3. Plural. Again, it's S. You will write are. Are in a tree. Some monkeys are in the tree. A baby monkey. A means one. One baby monkey. A baby monkey is eating a banana. Again, a means one banana. This baby monkey, one baby monkey is eating how many bananas? One banana. So, with singular, we will write is. With plural, we will write are. Singular is, plural are. Again, this is a plural word, we will write are, and singular with s. So, understood? With singular, we will write s, and plural, we will write are. Now, students, come to page number 28. Use I am or you are in the blanks. We have to use I am or you are. The first one is done for you. I am round. I have numbers on my face. What am I? So you will answer, you are a clock. This is a puzzle for you, a riddle for you. In the same way, second one we will do. I am like a horse. I am like a horse. I have many strips. What am I? You will answer, you are a zebra. Third one, read. I am made of wood. I play with a ball. What am I? You will answer, you are a bat. This is a bat. Same way, I am made of cloth. I sit on your head. What am I? You are a cap. I am small. I live in every home. What am I? You are a ant. You are an ant. You are an ant. Number 29. in this exercise, we have to frame questions. We have to write questions. Now we have to write what is this or what are these. What is this or what are these? Now I told you is we will write with singular words, and are we will write with plural words. Now come here. See here. This is a gift, a present. So how many gifts are there? There is only one. So we will write what is this? What is this? It is a present for you. Now come down. How many puppets you can see? 2. You can see 2 puppets. And is this singular or plural? More than one. So it's a plural. So you will write what are these? What are these? And what will you answer? They are puppets. They are puppets. Now come to third one. How many birds you can see over here? Only one. It's singular, one. So you will write what is this? What is this? It is a bulbul. It is a bulbul. One. Means one. It is a bulbul. Now what are these? These are snails. And how many snails you can see? 3. More than one. More than one means plural. So what will you write? What are these? These are snails. These are snails. S. With S, with plural, we will write are. Again, it's a singular word. You will write is. These are plural. You will write are. Again, this is one. So you will write this. This is a present. With this, we complete page number 29. Students, come to page number 30. Story time. Nutcut and the Washerman. This is a famous story, and you will ask your parents to narrate the story to you. Nutcut means naughty. Naughty donkey and the washerman. We'll send you a link of this story. You may watch that and enjoy. And you ask your parents to narrate the story for you. With this, we complete lesson number 2, inside and outside. Thank you, students.